Oh my goodness.
I'm so sorry. Alright guys, so we're getting ready here to do some pranks. I'm headed to the store right now and I'm gonna look like a very large man and then I'm gonna walk to people. Come here, Bella, let me demonstrate. Oh, I am so sorry. It's the sneeze prank, pretty nasty. Let me get this ready. Gotta feel this.
You look fabulous. So he just added a pillow to his
Oh my goodness, that is
huge belly.
so good. I think it's probably just better to do that right up here more.
I think it's good to put it in the back.
But it may get too heavy also though. So. Yeah, let's put this like triple X. Oh boy. The next few will really help.
Yeah.
Wow. Now I look awesome.
I just feel like your boobs are kind of messed up, so you gotta have
No.
to fix them somehow.
No one is perfect yet.
Squishy boobies. Gotta take care of yourself. See, babe, let's see. Let's show me a dance. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Daddy.
Your legs are kind of skinny, but your belly's big.
Daddy.
That's usually how men are. Big bellies and skinny legs.
I know to tie shoes, my brother doesn't.
You can start with my mom to see. Okay, I wanna sneeze. She doesn't understand English, so we're gonna see if it works.
She's right behind you.
I know she doesn't
Doesn't understand though.
Yeah.
It's hot in here.
Man, you have to do that during the winter. This
Yeah,
prank
it
is
is.
a
What's
winter
that?
prank because you're gonna be
Yeah.
melting.
Okay.
Grandma just is sitting and waiting.
Pai, que tá crendo em mim.
She didn't say a thing. She just got mad, but she didn't say a word. Like, oh my gosh, sneezing on me.
Is the walk good?
Yeah, you have to kind of like wobble a little bit because, you know, I've been pregnant a few times and you do wobble. Look at Mr. Daddy. He is ready to go.
This is another camera, but my mom cannot know because I'm going to prank her again.
I think you look so good. I think I would still marry you.
How about that? Should I do that?
Your space is so skinny for your body.
Should I get that mask?
No. It looks good though.
Let's go, guys.
You ready, Mela?
Yeah.
You taking your baby?
I have a diaper on her.
Let's go, people.
Alright guys, we are here at Walmart. Mama Silva is gonna follow Daddy Silva here. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Nice spray bottle, by the way.
It's a prank. I'm sorry. Sorry. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Bring it back. That's it. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry.
Okay.
I have a cold, a very bad flu. Sorry. I'm sorry. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this prank, and remember, do not try to do this with a stranger. Just do it with friends and family, alright? Stay safe. Bye guys. If you like it, give us thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and share it with your friends. Bye!
And I know you're at school, guys, so...
Bye!
Bye!